Here is a good breakfast, a protein carrot cake. You are gonna need 3 cups of baby carrots or regular carrots. Then you're gonna shred them. I use a food processor and make my life easy. Then you're gonna need 1 cup of almond flour, 4 scoops of vanilla protein. I use Arbonne, my favorite one. Then you're gonna add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Then you're gonna add 1 teaspoon of nutmeg, a 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt, 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk, 4 eggs, and if you don't eat eggs, you can use flaxseed, 4 tablespoons. Then we're gonna mix, something that I forgot, you can add 1 teaspoon of almond extract. It's very good. Then we pour our mixture in a paper parchment surface. We're gonna flat this up, bake it at 350 for 30 minutes. And here it is, ready. Now we are gonna cut it. We get from this recipe 8 servings. Now we're gonna do our cream, our protein cream to top our carrot cake. So you will need 1 scoop of Arbonne vanilla protein. You can use your favorite one, but this one tastes amazing. Then little by little you will add almond milk. And you're gonna mix until you get that consistency that you like. Here is how I like it. Not so thick, not so thin. Then you can add, again, some spices. I add cinnamon. And then here's our first piece. We're gonna split it in half and add half of that protein cream that we made to stuff it up. And then we're gonna add some fresh fruit like blueberry, strawberry, all the berries that you find in home. We top it and add the rest of the protein cream that we made. And we can top it again with more fresh fruit. I buy organic, especially if I'm using berries. And last but not least, the nuts. I like walnuts, almonds, cashew, pumpkin seed are so good, good fat. So here you go. This is an amazing breakfast. It's like eating dessert. When you are eating healthy, you are not missing anything. So good fat, good protein, good fiber, good carbs, everything that you need to start in the day. So follow me at American Let's Get Healthy on Instagram and enjoy it and share.